crochet cute bat in 10 minutes. You can use it to make a brooch or decorate your bag. Need about 10 minutes. Make a magic ring first. A knot. A single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Make another 5 single crochet. We get 6 stitches. Strengthen the tail. Slip into the first stitch. Chain 1 and make 2 single crochet into the first stitch of the first round. Mark the first stitch. 2 single crochet per stitch around the round. Get 12 stitches in total. Slip into the first stitch. Chain 2. Make another double crochet into the first stitch of the second round. Chain 3. Slip into the back lump of the first chain. Next, to double crochet into 1 stitch 2. Chain 3 and slip into the back lump of the first chain. Next one, double crochet. One half double crochet into the same stitch. At last, slip into the same stitch. Slip into next stitch. Chain 12. from the second slip stitch. Next, half double crochet. Next, half double crochet. Next, half double crochet. Next, single crochet. Next, single crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Next, single crochet. Next, single crochet. Next, single crochet. Next, slip into the stitch of the round. Chain 1 and turn the work. Skip the first stitch. Into the front loop of the second stitch, make a single crochet. Next, single crochet. Next, single crochet. Skip 1. Next, single crochet. Next, single crochet. Next, single crochet. Chain 1 and turn the work. Insert into the back loop only. 1 slip stitch. Next, slip stitch 2. Next, single crochet. Skip 1 stitch. Next one, single crochet. Chain 2 and slip back into the first chain. Next, single crochet. Slip into next stitch of the round. Next, single crochet. Next, single crochet. Next, single crochet. Chain 1. Next, 3 single crochet 1 by 1. Next, slip stitch. Chain 12. Turn the work. From the second loop, slip stitch. Next 3 half double crochet, one by one. Next, a single crochet, one by one. Skip 2 stitches. Next 3 single crochet, one by one. Next, slip stitch into the stitch of the round. Chain 1 and turn the work. Skip the first stitch into the back loop of the second stitch. Make 1 single crochet. Next, a single crochet, one by one. Skip 1 stitch. Next 3 single crochet, one by one. Chain 1 and turn the work. Into the front loop only, slip stitch. Next, slip stitch. Next, single crochet. Skip 1 and next single crochet. Chain 2 and slip back into the first chain. Next, single crochet. Last, slip into the stitch of the round. Fasten off the yarn. Hide the tail. Now, we get the lovely bat. Thanks for your company.